How do you feel about this matchup?
I'm ready, I train hard. I'm ready to take on whoever they put in front of me. We'll see what happens in the ring.
How does this compare to other matchups you've had previously?
So this one gave me a bit of more time to prepare myself, sharpen my techniques. I learned some new stuff as well. The previous fights were all, as I said, a brawl, and I went in there and I had to go through all the 3 rounds just fighting for my life. But I truly hope that this time my skills are going to be there so that I can fight at my own pace with proper technique, and yeah, I expect a nice fight like that. I have an amazing coach who helps me out a lot, so pretty ready for it, yeah.
What are you looking to prove when you're in that ring?
That I'm capable of reaching the highest of stages. I think I can do it, and with this fight I will prove it to myself and other people as well, that I'm ready for even bigger opportunities.
For your coach, Sean, how have you been preparing him this camp? How has it been different from other training camps?
We've simplified things down a lot, and we focused more on him and what he likes to do rather than having him fit into a box. So we've tailored things towards his style, his size, his weight, the way he moves and so on. We've leaned more towards working counter drills and getting him to be a bit more aggressive once he's on the front foot. I've seen a massive improvement in his technique and in his aggression as well. He's a nightmare to spar against. I hate sparring with him, but he gives all of the guys in the gym a hassle. He's strong, he's fast, and he's relentless now.
When you're seeing your fighter in that corner, when the fight's not quite going your way, how do you get them back in the game?
Mark is quite a patriot, so honestly what we've done before is we've got some Serbians in the gym that train with us, and one of the guys just reminds him where he's from and that they're tough, and immediately steps out of it. He gets his emotions back under control, and that Serbian fire just comes out. And any other Serbian in the room would know exactly what I'm talking about.